Hi, I'm TJ from Yankee Home, and today we're going to demonstrate how to take your screen out of your new 3-light slider. As you can see here, we have a 3-light slider with a full view screen with through vision technology. Now in order to do this, you have to open up each side. These can be called flankers or sashes, but they have to be open in order to take the screen out. I opened them all the way. Now, we always want to start with a corner. You can't start in the middle, obviously, because of the window being in your way. So we're going to start in the corner. Right here, we have a pinch bar that you can grab with your fingers and push up. Now, you'll see I have to be a little forceful in order to take the screen out, but we don't have a problem with that because it is designed to do that. You'll see I popped it out. Now I don't want it to fall because I don't want it to get damaged. So I'm going to lower it down gently. Now we're going to reinstall your screen from the outside. We can start with putting the first corner in on me being right-handed would be my right side. You can see the springs here that I was talking about earlier. These are to press the screen down into place. But in order to put it back in, you have to press them up. As you can see, there's a slot available for the screen, a lot easier to see from the outside than the inside. So we'll start with the top right corner. You can see how I pressed it into place. Now I'm going to slide it over. Now I'm holding it with my right hand while I put the left side in. Again, you can be forceful. This rubber. All right, so now the top's into the slot. We'll come back over and make sure the right side's in where it's supposed to be. Now, we got to put the bottom in. You can press it in all along the bottom until you get to the one corner. Now you'll see that it's kind of popping out a little bit because again, it wants to be pressed into place. So with a little tap, you can see it pops right into place. And then you can go back and just push it down a little bit to make sure everything's fitted. And there you go, screen is back into place.